I'm at the Laos Vientiane, and this is the food that I ate in the hotel. Burger is here. And the price was around 35 US ringgit, so US dollars. From hotel, I can see Thailand. Here's Mekong River. Mekong River is crossing between Laos and Thailand border. That's Mekong River, and then after Mekong River, that's Thailand. And this is the Eastin Hotel that I'm staying in Laos Vientiane. This hotel is near the Mekong River. This is the room. I'm looking double bedroom. And here we have bathroom, toilet, and shower room. The next day, I'm going to take the train from Laos Vientiane to China Kunming. With 40 minutes driving, we are now arriving at Vientiane station. I'm at the Vientiane station now, and then now I'm going to take the train from here to Kunming. This is the ticket of the train, and then I'm going to take the train now. Now I'm at the train station. I go onto the train and I took out the Japanese cup noodle. I got it from Singapore. The Laos China Railway that I'm currently riding on was built by China for its One Belt One Road policy.
บรรดาท่านยิ่งเล็กหาดทรายสำหรับท่านผู้โดยสารที่หาผู้ขึ้นรถ
Train at the Vientiane station 2 minutes earlier. This train originally planned to leave in 8 a.m. but actually we left at 7:58. Now 7:59. The train didn't stop, and there's a half traveling. The train arrived at Luampabang station. The Luampabang is a famous place in Laos. Many people from other countries are visiting here. For 3 hours traveling, we arrived at the border station. This is the border station in Laos and China. The train will see some panda, and then we are going to get into the hike up and going to Kunming. The train arrived at Bote station. This is the border of the Laos and China. This is the Laos station. Laos immigration. We're going back to train, and train is going to pass the border of Laos and China. This is the place that we're entering to China. Now we are still in Laos. We're still in Laos, but from here, the tunnel is going. I can see the place. This is flag of the country. Flag of the country, the Laos flag. Here is there is a flag, and after past the flag, this is the Laos flag. After past the flag, here is the Chinese flag. Now we are already entered to China. After tunnel, we arrive at China Mohan station. We are going to enter to China at this station. I bought ice cream, and it was 20 yuan in Chinese yuan, and I used the WeChat Pay for this. I entered to China just now, and the train was waiting for us on the station. I got the stamp from the departure for Laos. I entered to China, and the train left the Mohan station. The train is running at 160 kilometers per hour. The maximum speed of Laos China Railway train is 160 kilometers per hour. This is the maximum speed. With 9 hours traveling. We are going to arrive at Kunming South Railway Station. Kunming has a lot of buildings and Kunming is the biggest city in Yunnan province. The train arrived at Kunming South Railway Station. I'm going to walk from here to my hotel. But before we go to hotel, I'm going to buy McDonald's. The door opened and then the 9 hours travel finished. The decreasing in Kunming. Because Kunming is very high. Now I'm at the Kunming South Station and then I found McDonald's here. I ordered and then this. I'm waiting for the order. In China, the burger is normal like this. Everything is not that normal taste. And this macro is a little different, I think. I walk around 1 kilometer from the South Railway station, and I walked to today's hotel, Hampton by Hilton, Kunming South Railway Station. I'm at the gym in the hotel. I'm here soon.